like it's more for your scalp. It's better for your scalp than anything else. You just get in there, massage, or like I used a shampoo brush. I am straight out the shower, hair freshly washed with the No Scrubs by the Doux. It is an exfoliating shampoo. I enjoyed myself with it. I enjoyed it. My scalp felt airy. It feels exfoliated. It wasn't like an aggressive exfoliator, but you can tell like it gave my scalp a little, you know, like a little scrub, you know. So it was very mentholy. It was very minty. But it was light, like you can smell it on your hands. But let me tell you about that lather. That lather didn't play no games. So I will use like a drop or less if you do a section like how I did. A little goes a long way because that lather goes crazy. So I am using the same brand, okay? I'm using the Doux Cream Twist and Curl Cream, Coconut Rose Water, Vitamin E, Avocado, and Mindy. Cash rules everything around me. Cream, get the money. Dollar bills. So yeah, this is what I am using for my twist out. I'm gonna do a flat twist because that's quick, easy for me to do. I think y'all seen me do twist out so many times, but I don't think I've done an actual flat twist on my channel. It's kind of like a thicker kind of cream, but once you rub it in, it's super moisturizing. I like the definition that came with the Doux cream. I do love the definition that came with it. I was impressed with the product. I was impressed with the smell. I was impressed with the texture. So I finished my hair off camera, per usual, y'all. I air dried it. I didn't do no drying or anything for my ends. I just rolled them up. So it's my first time seeing my hair after sleeping on them. I'll give you guys a 360. I pray I don't get no residue, but it looked like I'm getting the residue just off the roller. This product smells so good. It's like very sweet, like. It's very moisturizing. Like my hair feels really good with this cream. there is a residue, you guys. Unfortunately, y'all can see it on my sweater. That is product. I don't know how I feel about it yet. I'm gonna come back and give my second opinion. I don't know. So I was impressed with the Doux cream. Texture was unexpected because I expected it to be a little rummier. I didn't even use that much. I didn't make really that much of a dent in the jar. I was impressed. For a flat twist next time, I would definitely add some gel. It ends correctly. For definition and twist, it did its thing. I don't see any more flakes or anything, but my definition came out. Look at that. I have used the Doux more than once, but these are the two that I've used today. So I hope you guys enjoyed my review. I'm getting back in my YouTube bag. I'm getting back to recording, so be patient with me. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, you guys.